Welcome to the easyNet channel. Today I will show you how to make zip and unzip a file on Windows 10. Remember, if you have a problem or question about a topic, write a comment and I will respond within 4 hours. OK, select the file or files you want to compress and right-click. Select Send to. Choose compressed folder from the list. I will just rename. Please rate and subscribe to easyNet. This is what our file looks like inside. Click Extract All. Choose a folder to extract the files or leave default. Click Next. You have successfully unpacked items from a zip file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comments. Your opinion is very important.